Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. Today we are from Group 7. We will present about our project which is transformation of ABDUL as a heritage conservation of Center Melaka. For our subject which is Building Services Integrated Project, we have two lecturers that teach us. The first one is IRTS Dr. Muhammad KAMARUZAMAN bin MUSA, and the next one is Prof. MADYA SRTS Dr. Muhammad ASHRAF bin ABDUL. We have four group members. The first one is Nisa, Nabila, Binti, Rizal, CN190053. And the next one is me, which is Aina, Natasha, Binti, Amorzam, AN190081. And the third one is Nuramanina Zahraa, Binti, Abu Mansur, AN190113. And the last one is Rizal, Anastasia, Binti, Khairodin, AN190017.
For this transformation proposal, we decide to transform the museum into a cafe, which is a cafe library, one of the must hangout spots for the young people who are fine and aesthetic. And many cafes have recently opened and popular among the young people due to the comfort and low prices. Hence, the library cafe has two purposes, which is to enjoy food with the loved one and also a method to get insight and knowledge in easy and straightforward way. This is one of kind phenomenon because not every cafe has the ambition or confidence to house a library collection. This is quite fascinating since the marketing targeting by the library cafe is more evenly spread for all ages rather than only young peoples. The idea and concept for this library cafe of transformation is actually more in line with the concept of history in the museum, which is where people can read about the history to get the more detailed and further information in a relaxed and comfortable prices and places. Where this building is near with the museum TYT, hence people and visitors also could take a rest while enjoying a cup of coffee after going to the museum. And it would also be divided into 5 areas, which is a bar and arcade section, lobby, outdoor area, landscape, and complete with toilet and prayer hall for the Muslims. Hence, for all of this transformation, we need the fire requirements to reduce the risk to prevent fires from starting in the first place, and also to put out the flames that have been started need to be taken. So, one of the most advantage of the fire prevention system is it could save money in the long term. Okay, and in this project, we decided to place the emergency exit signs, which is have one of the important role in the fire safety of building, and it helps to evacuate rapidly escape by the fire and the faster and safest routes immediately to detection of the fire. Okay, for the second one, we decided to install an automatic fire suppression system, which is the automatic fire sprinkler system to operate in a area to protect and limiting the suppressing and the fire spread. And the third one, we are going to install the portable fire extinguisher, which is a fire system that prevent a fire from spreading in a building and easy to use. And the last one, we are going to install the exhaust system for the grease build up, which is the kitchen exhaust the grease, smoke, and other dangerous contaminants that generate using a source capture system. Hence, this kind of system could wish to filter this exhaust before it contaminates the exterior air for a variety of reasons such as code, ordinance, or the nuisance.
Okay, my name is Aina, Natasha, Binti, Amorzam. My number matric is N190081, and I will present about market research. In this topic, we have four subtopics, which is the first one is executive summary, and the next one is industry analysis, and the third one is customer analysis, and the last one is marketing plan. For executive summary, okay, our library cafe in Museum TYT Melaka will be a local coffee shop Four business-minded friends created the coffee cafe, which is four of us, and our library cafe will proudly serve only coffee produced by coffee roasters and freshly baked items by local craftsmen. The menu will be simple, but our library cafe's coffee will be unique due to the time and attention put into each item. For the next subtopic, which is industry analysis, as consumers want specialized coffees and cheap convenience, the coffee shop industry has grown faster than most other operators may also attract customers by modifying their meals to changing preference. Coffee shops are expected to rise 3% annually during the next 5 years. This growth is driven by three point, which is the first one is consumer spending. Coffee cafes benefit from rising customer spending. Over the next 5 years, consumer expenditure is expected to rise. Okay, the next point is consumer confidence index. Consumer confidence index change affect discretionary spending, notably coffee shop purchases. When consumer confidence is high, they spend more on the discretionary items like coffee. It's also expected that consumer confidence will rise. Okay, for the last topic in industry analysis is coffee consumption. Coffee companies earn more as coffee consumption rises. Coffee consumption per capita is expected to grow, generating an opportunity for the industry. The next one is customer analysis. Our library cafe will primarily target the following customer profile, which is the first one is university student. The locations have become emerging hotspot for local university students to reside and the neighborhood to are techy and modern. The next one, our target customer is local residents. There are numerous other business professionals that work and reside in those areas. There are offices, museums, and tourist attractions that are within walking distance, so that they will attract to come to our library cafe. And the last subtopic for this market research is marketing plan. In this marketing plan, we have 3 points that we need to discuss. The first one is brand and value proposition. Okay, our library will offer the technique value proposition to its client, which is the first one is convenient location located in tourism attraction in Melaka. The second one is technology-friendly shop that accompany its exceptional customer service. And the last one is delicious and well-crafted coffee beverage and baked goods. Okay, for the next point is promotion strategy. In this point, we have two main idea to promote our library cafe. The first one is through social media. Our library cafe will prioritize social media channels and appoints a manager to oversee this effort. This individual will create original and anti-sync blogs and publish the company's daily promotions, future events, and location updates. And the next is we will promote through SEO website marketing. Our library cafe aims to spend in maintaining a strong SEO presence on search engines like Google and Bing. Um, our library cafe will be in the top 3 result when someone search for local library cafe near me, or Melaka library cafe. Our library cafe will invest in its website to guarantee that it is user-friendly, constantly updated, and has professional image of its menu items and location. And the last point for this marketing plan is pricing. The price at our library cafe will be reasonable and comparable to those of its rival, so that clients will have the impression that they are getting good value when they shop there. That's all from me.
Okay, next for a bubble diagram that we design, such as toilet, prayer hall for men and women, landscape and outdoor area, reading area and eating area, bar and cake section, and lastly lobby. Okay, next for brief design. First, terrace to lobby. This is an interesting place and easily approached from all sides. The lobby area is equipped with clear signage, such as retail and anything else that promotes activities and programs in the library cafe. There are also some books that are in the library cafe placed here in the lobby, and consider combining employee and visitors interest to bar area. Okay, next for room 1 to bar and cake section. A space where customers buy food, drinks, cakes and so on. Customer can enjoy their food, drinks that are purchased at the chairs and tables provided. Okay, the table and chair furniture used consists of wood, and the concept of this area is aesthetic concept. Okay, next for light and sound room to reading and eating area. The space where the booths in the library cafe are placed. An additional space is set up for customers to enjoy food and drinks while reading. There is also space for customers to hold their discussion with family, friends and clients. Okay, next for store 1 and maid room to prayer hall. Okay, this area for Muslim and Muslimah prayer room. Okay, lastly for store 2 and 3 to landscaping and outdoor area. Having a functional outdoor area will space will encourage and provide the opportunity to spend more time outside. Open air dining allows customers to enjoy a nice meal or drink with an outdoor ambience, fresh air and access to nature. Okay, this can be a great atmosphere for customers, for family and friends to bond and hang out together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisa Nabila Binti Muhammad Rizal and my metric number is CN190053. I will explain about finishing for the project. Okay, this is the layout for the library cafe. In this layout, in our library cafe, we are divided into several sections, which is we have lobby, bars and cake section, reading and eating section, prayer room for male and female, landscaping and outdoor area and toilets. Okay, next I will explain about finishing work. Finishing work is the closing stage of a construction. However, finishing work is very labor intensive and it accounts for up to 35% of all labor expenses and installation operations in construction. Detail items are important and will get attention and will make the store look more attractive, so it should be done right. Okay, the main type of finishing work include facing, plastering, woodwork, flooring, painting, wallpaper and glass and even furniture. The selection of theme, material, furniture and colors that follow current trends will attract the attention of customer in the future. Okay, for the material use, for this cafe we are using paint and wallpaper as a wall finishing, modern and vintage concept with a selection of white, tan, blue and black colors. In addition, we are using porcelain tiles for the floor in the walkway and using ceramic tiles in the lobby and bar and cake section. The installation of carpet tiles in the male and female prayer rooms. Okay, next for furniture, we are using 3 display refrigerator to put cakes and beverage for customers. A display refrigerator will make it easier for customer to choose the dessert and beverage. We also use furniture like dining table for customer to dine in. Other than that, we also provide a section where customer can sit to read a book. The furniture we use in the interior for the cafe is a chair with sponge where it will provide comfort to the user to spend more time. In addition, we provide tables for customers to read books while doing their work using laptops. On the outside, benches and tables are available for customer who wants to read a book with outdoor scenery and chit-chatting and grab coffee with their friends and families.